For today's friendly know-how, I'll show you kung paano nyo pwedeng i-link ang iyong Loyalty Card Plus sa inyong Pag-Ibig account using their app and via their website. In this channel pala, I'm creating videos about helpful tips and basic how-tos. Help me promote my channel by liking and subscribing. On your website, i-type lang ang virtual Pag-Ibig, or you may go to their website pag-ibigfundservices.com/virtualpag-ibig. I-accept lang ang data privacy and then click proceed, click login, click continue, and then log in using your email address. Click Loyalty Card Plus and then click Loyalty Card Plus account. Piliin ang bank account na associated sa iyong Pag-Ibig Loyalty Card Plus, either AUB or Union Bank, and then ilagay ang loyalty card number, click proceed, and then ilagay ang one-time PIN and hit verify. And there you go. You're able to connect your Loyalty Card Plus account to your Pag-Ibig account. Using the app, mag-login sa virtual Pag-Ibig app and then click main, click Loyalty Card Plus, click link account, piliin ang partner bank and ilagay ang iyong card number, click link, and then ilagay ang OTP na marireceive mo sa iyong registered phone number, click proceed, and then there you go. Your Pag-Ibig Loyalty Card Plus is successfully linked. There you go. If you find this video helpful, help me promote my channel by liking and subscribing. Thank you.